Hi, welcome to this Marks Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got ourselves an iRobot Roomba here. Brilliant little robot vacuum cleaners. I'll do a review about these eventually. We've got one a couple of years old now and absolutely going strong. What we're going to do is change over the spinning brush on this one. These spinning brushes on a robot vacuum they get right into the corners and run along the skirting boards and so forth. If you have a look at this one, see, she's a bit worn out. It's done a lot of vacuuming. So we're just going to switch that out. You see, it actually even comes with a new screw into it, mounted into it. We're going to screw that out and switch him over. Okay, to switch it out is really, really easy. We simply hold it with our fingers and unscrew the screw. Just a normal bladed screwdriver. And then, see, it's got a little hex on here, so you've just got to get it off that hex. So we just lift it up like that, give it a clean, get all the fluff and muck out of there that's caught up, give that one the flick, new one on, new screw, the whole lot. So now you just line up that hex, just spin it until it drops into place like that. Do up the screw, there we go, just holding that in place, not a lot of tension on there. Do it up, boom, brush is changed over.